It's 2024 and the news is buzzing about cocaine sharks. This isn't a made-up movie story, it's real. Scientists in Brazil found cocaine in sharks swimming near Rio de Janeiro. Everyone's talking about it, surprised and kind of fascinated. How did this happen? What does it mean for the sharks? And what about the people who swim in the same water? This discovery makes us think about the health of our oceans and what happens when we pollute them. Scientists tested Brazilian sharp-nosed sharks for drugs, and what they found was shocking. Their study, published in the Science magazine, showed that the sharks had cocaine in their bodies. And it wasn't just a tiny bit. The levels were very high, sometimes 100 times higher than what's been found in other sea creatures. To find the cocaine, scientists used a special tool called liquid chromatography with tandem mass spectrometry. This tool helped them find the drug in the shark's muscles and livers, proving they were contaminated. The big question is, how did the cocaine get into the sharks? It's a shocking and unexpected discovery that raises many concerns. The answer shows how human actions can have bad effects. Our everyday activities, often unnoticed, can lead to severe consequences for marine life. Dirty water from sewers is a big problem. Wastewater treatment plants sometimes fail to remove all contaminants, including drugs. When people who use drugs flush their waste, the cocaine doesn't just go away. It travels through the sewage system, often remaining in the water. It goes into the sewers, and sometimes it doesn't get cleaned out properly before it flows into rivers and then the ocean. This untreated water carries harmful substances far and wide. Illegal drug labs are another problem. These operations are often hidden and unregulated, leading to dangerous waste disposal practices. These secret labs often dump their chemical waste right into the water, making it even dirtier. The toxic chemicals can have devastating effects on aquatic ecosystems. And we also have to think about people throwing drug packages into the ocean. These packages can break open, releasing their contents into the water. The drugs can leak out and end up in the water, where sea animals might eat them. This contamination can disrupt marine life, causing health issues and altering natural behaviors. What happens when sharks swim in water with cocaine? This is a question that has puzzled scientists and marine biologists alike. The presence of such a potent drug in the ocean is alarming, and its effects on marine life, especially sharks, could be devastating. Scientists are still studying this, but there's a lot to worry about. The initial findings suggest that cocaine can have severe physiological and behavioral impacts on sharks. Cocaine is a strong drug, and it could mess up the sharks' bodies. It can affect their nervous system, leading to erratic swimming patterns and impaired hunting abilities. One big worry is that it could hurt their ability to have babies. Reproductive health is crucial for the survival of any species, and cocaine exposure could lead to reduced fertility and developmental issues in shark offspring. Cocaine has caused problems like this in other animals, so we're worried about these sharks, which are already in danger. Many shark species are already facing threats from overfishing and habitat loss, and adding cocaine to the mix could push them closer to extinction. Besides reproduction, cocaine could change how sharks act, making it harder for them to swim, find food, and stay safe from other animals that might eat them. This could disrupt the entire marine ecosystem, as sharks play a vital role in maintaining the balance of ocean life. And it's not just about the sharks. The presence of cocaine in the ocean can have far-reaching consequences for the entire marine environment. In Brazil, some people eat shark meat. This means that the cocaine could enter the human food chain, posing serious health risks to people who consume contaminated seafood. If they eat sharks with cocaine in them, it could be very dangerous for their health. Cocaine is a powerful stimulant, and its presence in food could lead to severe health issues, including heart problems and neurological damage. This is a serious problem that we need to fix. Addressing the issue of cocaine in our oceans requires a concerted effort from scientists, policymakers, and the public to protect both marine life and human health. Finding cocaine in sharks shows us that our actions have consequences, even in places we don't expect. This shocking discovery highlights the far-reaching impact of human activities on marine ecosystems. It's a stark reminder that our oceans are interconnected with our daily lives, and what we do on land can have unforeseen effects on sea life. This isn't just a problem in Brazil. The issue of cocaine pollution is widespread, affecting oceans and marine life across the globe. From the coastlines of North America to the shores of Europe and Asia, no region is immune to this growing threat. Cocaine pollution is happening all over the world in many different countries. It's a global crisis that requires immediate attention and action from all of us. The presence of such contaminants in our oceans is a clear indication of the broader issue of water pollution and the urgent need to address it. We need to do a few things. First, we must come together as a global community to tackle this issue head-on. Collaboration between scientists, policymakers, and the public is essential to finding effective solutions. First, we need more research. Comprehensive studies are crucial to understanding the full extent of cocaine pollution and its impact on marine life. By investing in scientific research, we can develop strategies to mitigate these effects and protect our oceans. Scientists are just starting to understand how cocaine affects sea life. Preliminary findings suggest that it can alter the behavior and health of marine animals, but more research is needed to grasp the long-term consequences fully. We need more studies to see what will happen in the long run. Long-term research will help us predict future impacts and develop effective conservation strategies to safeguard marine ecosystems. Second, we need better ways to clean our wastewater. Improving wastewater treatment facilities is vital to prevent harmful substances, including drugs, from entering our oceans. We need to make sure our sewers can remove drugs and other bad stuff from the water before it goes into the ocean. Upgrading our infrastructure and implementing advanced filtration systems can significantly reduce the amount of pollutants reaching marine environments. Finally, we need to teach people how to get rid of drugs safely. Public awareness campaigns and educational programs can inform communities about the environmental impact of improper drug disposal. If people understand that flushing drugs down the toilet is bad for the environment, they might make better choices. Encouraging safe disposal methods such as drug take-back programs can help reduce the amount of pharmaceuticals entering our waterways. Finding cocaine in sharks is a wake-up call. It underscores the urgent need for action to protect our oceans and the diverse life forms they support. It shows us that what we do can have big effects, sometimes in surprising ways. Our actions, no matter how small, can ripple through the environment and create significant changes. We need to act now to protect our oceans and the animals that live there. Conservation efforts, cleanup initiatives, and sustainable practices are essential to preserving marine biodiversity. The future of our planet depends on it. By taking responsibility and making conscious choices, we can ensure a healthier, cleaner ocean for generations to come.